unit vector normal to the surface. So we have a problem here. Find the unit vector normal to the surface x squared plus y squared minus z equal to 1 at the point 1, 1, 1. So the solution here is step 1, define the surface functions. Write the equation of the surface in the form of f of x, y, z. So f as a function of x, y, and z, so that is equal to 0. So this is x squared plus y squared minus z minus 1 equal to 0. So find the gradient of f here. The gradient of f gives a vector normal to the surface. So the gradient here is defined as this one. So calculate the partial derivatives here. So partial of f with respect to x equal to 2x. Partial of f with respect to y equal to 2y. Partial of f with respect to z equal to negative 1. So the normal vector n at any point x, y, z is equal to 2x I plus 2yj minus negative 1k. So I, j, k here are the unit vectors along the along respectively at x axis, y axis, and z axis. So you evaluate the normal vector at point 1, 1, 1. So substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 into the gradient here. So we have this. Calculate the magnitude of this normal vector. So the magnitude of the normal vector is equal to 3. So find the unit normal vector. A unit vector n is found by dividing the normal vector by its magnitude. So 2i over 3 here and 2j over 3 minus k over 3. So the final answer here is this one. Or we have the surface x squared plus y squared minus 1 here. And we have the normal vector. So we have the surface with normal vector at 1, 1, 1 here. So we have the 1, 1 here. Or we have the point 1, 1 here. So there is a unit there is a unit normal vector at 1, 1 here. So this one you can see here. So that is 1, 1, 1.